Verse 1 sets a powerful shift in the timeline. But God remembered Noah and all the beasts and all the cattle that were with him in the ark. This wasn't just a casual thought. In biblical theology, when God remembers, it means he is about to act decisively on his covenant. The turning of the tide. Moving to verses 2 and 3, the exact opposite of the flood occurs. The fountains of the deep and the windows of heaven are stopped, and the rain is restrained. The chaotic waters begin to step by step recede. By verse 4, we see precise geometry in God's timing. The ark rested in the 7th month, on the 17th day of the month, upon the mountains of Ararat. The test of faith, verses 6 to 12. Noah sends out a raven and then a dove to test the dry land. The dove returns first with nothing, then with a freshly plucked olive leaf, the universal symbol of peace and new life. And finally, she does not return at all. The waiting was over. The command to step out. In verses 15 to 19, God commands Noah, his family, and the animals to leave the ark. Just like in Genesis 1, they are given the mandate to breed abundantly and multiply upon the earth. Verse 20 highlights Noah's immediate response to safety. He builds an altar to the Lord and offers clean sacrifices. In biblical theology, if Genesis 7 was the undoing of creation, Genesis 8 is the recreation of the world. God didn't just let the waters drop. He sent a wind over the earth, reminiscent of the Spirit hovering over the waters in Genesis 1:2, to bring order out of chaos. When Noah builds the altar, God smells the soothing aroma and makes an eternal decree in verses 21 to 22. He promises never again to curse the ground because of man, establishing the unbreakable rhythm of our planet. While the earth remains, seed time and harvest, cold and heat, winter and summer, and day and night shall not cease. After every Genesis 7 storm in your life, a Genesis 8 season is guaranteed to follow. The rain will stop. The same God who shuts the doors to protect you is the God who opens the windows to give you a fresh start. The waiting has a purpose. Like Noah waiting weeks between sending out the dove, your transition period isn't empty space, it's ground drying time. The rainbow isn't just a beautiful natural phenomenon. It's a divine contract. At the end of the flood narrative, Noah stands before a clean slate. God sets his rainbow in the clouds as a visual guarantee to Noah and all future generations that water will never again destroy the earth. Every time we see a rainbow, we are looking at God's signature on a promise of mercy over judgment. Build your altar first. Give thanks before starting anything. When you finally step out of a crisis, don't just rush into your new life. Stop, look back, and build an altar of gratitude to the one who carried you through the waves. Let us close in prayer. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next verse. Lord, thank you that you never forget us. When we are drifting in the middle of a long trial, remind us that you are working behind the scenes to restrain the storm. Give us the patience to wait for the olive leaf, the courage to step out when you say go, and a heart that immediately stops to worship you for the rescue. Establish your peace and your rhythm in our lives today. Amen.